I'm not doing that one. Okay. Alright. Found my hat. Just start putting stupid videos on YouTube, see if people watch it. I got it. Who said that? You did it. Yeah. You guys hear that? Yeah. Did you guys hear that? I'm serious. Did you guys hear it? I'm serious. I'm like, something's fucking with me. And this happens all week, like straight up. All you hear is like something like Peter Griffin start like, yeah. Yeah. Okay, that was quite nice. That was something. Okay. Hey, hey, giggity. Hey, giggity. Giggity. What the news? Oh, Spirit. What's up, man? No, Javier, how are you? I'm doing good, Spirit. How are you? I'm doing all right. Javier, how are you? I already asked it. Oh, yeah, I'm doing. Chocolate rain, some stay drying up the soothing chocolate rain. A baby born one I be born in chocolate rain. The school book say it can't be here again. Chocolate rain. The phrases make you wonder where when chocolate rain. Zoom that camera out and see the light. Chocolate rain. Look power on the dark side. Chocolate rain. That was scary and random. Hope you liked it. That's my video. Haha, chocolate rain. Yeah, cherry chocolate rain. I open the door and see you standing there. Mrs. Johnson, Tay Zonday, most explosive video. I forgot the rest. The lights are on, the stage is set. Hey kids, gotta get old and not gonna be a centerfold. Better get rich, better be making that beat explode. Hey kids, cause they need, not gonna make my poverty. Tough kid, it's my world, better be making that beat explode. The power on the dark side. It was heat. Darth Vader is a Sith Lord of the Empire. Chocolate rain. Well, not the Sith Lord, but. Alright. See you later.